guys, I'm Aurora, and today we're going to learn the masculine definitive articles. So in the last lesson with my dog Argy, we taught you the feminine definitive articles, and today we're going to talk about the masculine definitive articles. So talking about the definitive articles for the masculine ones, well, they're a little bit more challenging. So when a word starts with a consonant like B, C, D, F, every letter of the alphabet which is not A, E, I, O, U, I was saying that when a word starts with a consonant, the article you need to use is il and the plural is I. For example, il libro, libro is book, and I libri, the books. As I said, for the feminine ones, when a word starts with a vowel like A, E, I, O, U, you need to cut off the letter, put the two words together and add an apostrophe. For example, l'amico, and the plural is gli amici. The words that begin with X, Y, Z, and with GN, PN, and PS, or S plus a consonant. I already told you what a consonant is. You need the article lo, and the plural is gli. So, lo gnomo, the gnome, gli gnomi, the gnomes, lo spagnolo, the Spanish, gli spagnoli, the Spanish but in the plural, but we don't have it in English, and lo zio and gli zii. So I hope you liked the lesson of today. Thank you for all the thumbs ups, and remember, verde, bianco, rosso. Bye!